Hello everybody, happy Monday. I want to apologize first of all because I just could not get videos up this weekend, and just to kind of avoid burnout so early on in PERDIEMTHRIFTSMAS, I figured I'm just gonna lump the weekends together, usually because I'm not doing really reselling related things. And I'm thinking about it too, my parents are coming in town next week, so yeah, I'm probably not going to be doing like work things during the weekend. Probably more fun things, and I don't want to sit around and like have to edit. I want to enjoy time that I'm spending with my family. So yeah, weekends are going to instead be vlogged together and uploaded in one go. This weekend, unfortunately, you guys already saw, but I only recorded stuff on Saturday, so you're only getting like one day's worth of content, but it was all good content, so happy about that. Anyway, it's Monday. You're probably watching this on Tuesday, but I'm recording this on Monday. Mondays are usually my day off. I don't have to open the store, so I don't usually go in. I usually just spend the day doing chores at home, hanging out with Charlie, and just getting things done from here. If I do have to work, I'll just do it on my laptop here at the house and I won't go in. I do have to go in later tonight to teach my trapeze class. It actually snowed a lot yesterday here in town, and whenever it snows we get snowed in, and we just can't really drive our car anywhere. So all day yesterday and today we've just been hanging out. I decided to take today to get a lot of chores done, so I popped in my ebook. I've been listening to Michelle Obama's new book. This is the book that I'm listening to. It's called The Light We Carry. It's kind of a continuation of her first book, Becoming, which was like one of my absolute favorites. I'm listening to the audio version of it and I love it because she actually reads it. And here's a little tip. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I use this app called Libby. This is what it looks like right here, if you can see that. So this is Libby, and if you have a local library card, you can actually use that to log into the app, and you have access to your library's ebooks and audiobooks for absolutely free. And you can actually get library cards from other places. Like, you don't have to just do your local one. For example, I live in Oregon and I have my local library card, but I also have a library card for my library back in San Diego. So I get to kind of have double the options. So that's a really great way to save money on books. If you are an ebook and audiobook reader, this saves you so much money. You get all the good books, but it's just like a regular library card, so you have to return the books, within a certain amount of time. Anyway, I popped in my headphones and I was listening to that while I went ahead and did chores around the house. I got so much laundry done. I hate folding, but when I get to listen to my audiobook, it's totally fine. Same with washing dishes. I used to hate washing dishes, but again, it just gives me kind of that alone time so I can listen to whatever I want to listen to, whether it's a podcast or an ebook. One of the things that Michelle Obama says in her book that kind of just stood out to me today the quote was, "We are performing more often than connecting." And she was talking in terms of like social media. And that got me thinking, because obviously I'm like I put my life out there, I put my business out there on social media, and especially with Instagram, you have to kind of like curate this life and make it seem like it's more perfect than it is. Obviously nothing is as it seems online, and I try to do my best to kind of just be more open and honest and authentic. Like, those are keywords, right? Like, those are what's the word? Those are just good keywords to have as an influencer, I guess, or influencer. But I don't usually vlog in my house because I don't think it's aesthetic, I don't think it's cute, I don't think it's cool. But after hearing that, I was just like, you know what, if I'm really trying to be authentic and show you guys like what my life is, then I might as well. So with that being said, I am now currently just on Vendu. I'm now currently just on my makeshift desk, which is my daughter's little stool right here, and I am on Vendu. I'm working on importing some listings from Poshmark, and I want to kind of organize all my listings before the end of the year. I'm thinking of running some sort of sale to offload as much inventory as I can before the end of the year. I've also taken all my listings off of eBay and all my listings off of Mercari because I will be honest, I wasn't doing a very good job at deleting things once they were being sold, so things were double selling. My seller status on eBay went down and it was like in danger. I finally got it back up. But yeah, I'm just taking everything off of every other platform so that when I do go in and go through all my inventory and make sure that everything's right, I can be updated on every single thing. There are so many things that I have to organize before the end of the year is over in terms of like taxes and stuff. So I'm just trying to hit it all, you know, up front. I'm trying to face my fears and just get it over with, get it done, so that I don't have to kind of drag this on into the new year. I have a lot of big plans for next year, and I don't want me being scared of facing my numbers to inhibit me from accomplishing all that I want to. Anyway, this is all I'm going to be doing right now, and then in about like 30-ish minutes we have to go take my dog to the vet. And then after that I'm gonna head down to my office, edit some videos, and then I have to teach trapeze tonight, so I'll bring you guys along for all of that when I get in down there. I think I have a bunch of packages too. I might save that for tomorrow's video and just unbox a bunch of packages for you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get working until we have to go to the vet. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a lot later from the last time that I vlogged. I don't even remember what the last thing that I vlogged was. But anyway, I am here at my office now. I just finished editing 2 vlogmases because I was 2 vlogmases behind, and now I'm kind of just waiting until my trapeze class starts at 6:30, so I have about an hour until then. But I got some packages and I wanted to do some unboxings for you guys. Oh my god, this one's heavy. So I bought some stuff off Amazon, and then I got some stuff off of Poshmark. But a couple of the packages that I wanted to unbox like all together, I went to go drop off my packages at the post office thinking I could like pick them up, but the line was literally out the door. It was so long, and it was like 4:35. I did not want to wait. I was just like so impatient, so I just left, and I'm gonna hope that they come and try to drop them off tomorrow. But first thing is first, I bought some stuff off Poshmark. It was a whole bundle, and half the stuff was hopefully for me and half the stuff was to resell, and then I bought one thing like for one of my friends. So I have all of the things. I have some of the things. So I have pretty much everything, but I already unboxed it. I unboxed it like a couple days ago, but I thought I'd still show you. I already hung up the things that I am going to resell. I'm just gonna put them in my store. But the first item is this blazer. It's like super sparkly and shiny. It's just from Nasty Gal, but I thought that this would be really cute for the holidays. Somebody's gonna want something like this. So cute. And then the other one, honestly, I don't know why I bought these, because I swear I tried to sell jeans like this before and they did not sell, or it took them a really long time to sell. But these are Zara, and they're so cool. They're just like zebra pants. If these were my size, I would totally keep them. But I'm hoping someone fun will find them and just want them for themselves. I also bought these shoes, and I'm so sad because I just tried them on and they are like way too big for me. But look at these. They are like a patent leather, like crocodile slouchy boot with this fun heel. These are by, let me see what the brand is. I want to say it's like Pretty Little Thing. Let me see. Yeah, so these are by Pretty Little Thing. These don't fit me, so I'm going to end up selling these. I'm so sad. They're like, my foot literally shakes around inside. Sometimes I can get away with a 7, but unfortunately these ones were just way too big. But now that I'm thinking about it, since they're Pretty Little Thing, that might be Australian size, which might mean that this is like a 9, which would make more sense because this is really big compared to my foot. So I'm gonna put these for sale in my store. But of course, if any of you guys are interested, just shoot me a DM and I would be more than happy to send those over. This one is the last thing that I bought. I did not try this on yet, but I did buy this specifically for me. It's a matching set, and it is this really cute cropped knit top, and then the bottoms are just like a high-rise wide leg. I had something kind of similar, but it was a little bit more of an open knit, but I'm really excited about these. I think these are so cute. Cannot wait to wear them. So it was everything that I bought from, it was all a bundle on Poshmark. I actually bought another bundle from the same buyer. She just had so many cute, inexpensive clothes, and I'm still waiting on that one, but I bought some stuff off Amazon. This one, I'm not gonna lie, it's not exciting at all. It's just shipping labels, or not shipping labels. These are labels that I use to tag the items in my store. I just bought them in bulk because it's cheaper. I use a thermal printer for my labels, so I actually use a Dymo. I'm actually on both Team Dymo and Team Rollo. I have a Rollo for my shipping labels and a Dymo for my in-store tags. And I always buy the off-brand labels off of Amazon because they're way cheaper and they work perfectly fine. So let me see if I can just open this box up and get these out so I can show you the brand, because I always go for this brand when I buy labels. Oh my gosh, it's just a box inside of a box. Ugh. There you go. Okay, so if you can see it here, the brand is Betke. I'm not gonna open this up. You don't really need, it doesn't really matter what labels they are. But I use all their labels, the 4x6. These are 2.5 by 3, I believe, or 2 1/4 by 1.5, something like that. But yeah, these work perfectly fine. They're so much cheaper than buying the branded labels. Okay, the last thing that I bought, I'm probably most excited about this. I've been wanting one of these for a while, especially because the last time I went to the doctor, they told me I had a vitamin D deficiency. And so, I don't really know if this is going to help with that, but it will help with my mood, I think. But this is called a Happy Light, and this is kind of like a light that mimics vitamin D. So it mimics the sun, and I spend a lot of time in a basement. I mean, my store is in a basement, my apartment is in the basement, and I do get, like, you know, light in my house, but down here in my store, there's absolutely no windows, no light. That's why I spend a lot of my time upstairs when it's slow. But I'm really happy about this because then when I'm sitting at my desk and I'm just like in the thick of it, I will have this light to kind of give me some vitamin D and just improve my overall mood, I think. I hope that it works like that. I'm gonna have to read the instructions and get this set up. So I got it all plugged in. Excuse my messy desk, but we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Oh my gosh, it is super bright, but you can adjust. Oh my gosh, it just gets brighter from there. You can adjust the brightness. You can even set a timer on it. Not sure how that works yet. But oh my god, just like look at that lighting. I could just use this like while I'm filming and just have extremely good lighting. Or like when I'm doing my Zoom calls or web meetings. It's not gonna be so dark down here. So I'm really excited about this. I'm just gonna have to turn this down because it's really, really bright. Anyway, I'm gonna report back in like a week or so, or a couple weeks, and let you know if this actually has made me happier or feel better. Let me know if you guys use one of these, because I've seen a few other resellers talk about it. And I will link it down below if you guys are interested in getting it as well. I think I got a little bit of a deal like during Black Friday, but they're very inexpensive, and there's a bunch of other options too. I thought this one was going to be really small, but this is actually a good size, and like I said, like the lighting is great. It's going to make filming a lot easier too. But anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me so far during Per Diem Thriftmas. Again, if you guys have any questions or topics that you guys want me to go over in one of these videos, leave them down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!